How many of us have joined schools or colleges after comparing at least a few thousands of them, or at least a few hundreds of them, or at least a dozen of them before joining one? This question haunted Mr. Rohit Dhar, an IT professional and an ardent thinker.
I had joined college just because someone known was already studying there. Many of us select institutions based on some references. The interesting part? People who refer these institutions might not be really bothered about our interest or career growth.
Sometimes, the decision of joining an educational institute also depends on the accessibility or the availability of the application form itself.
Though these are not the perfect way to find an institute, we often fall prey to unscientific methods of selecting an institute. That's when I had an urge to address this issue, not only to help students, but also collaborative institutions who are spending a lot of their time and money to build a world-class infrastructure, but are unable to grab required attention from students and parents, thus leaving their institutions unoccupied.
Each college invests huge amount in the infrastructure, in the manpower, and other resources in the form of technology and books and various laboratories which are need of the day to update the syllabus. So when a college do not get enough seats filled in, it's a huge loss in terms of investment.
All of this had to be addressed with an environmental friendly platform carrying a wider vision and a larger ecosystem that we live in.
We cut innumerable amount of trees to make application forms, and we pump huge amount of toxic ink into the environment while printing these application forms. Also, we spend gallons of fuel in running around for admissions, thus creating pollution and wasting natural resources. And this is when the brainstorming started to build an online platform which was named as Brainy Batch. Brainy Batch not only helps you find institutions, but also helps you apply to these institutions. For example, you can find categories like play schools, schools, colleges, and coaching centers in the search bar. One can access the details of the institution, such as the contact number, facilities of the institution, and the courses offered by them, along with the rating given to the institution. Based on the student's interest, Brainy Batch also offers similar options which the student can compare. Brainy Batch gives the option to apply online along with the application fee details. The application form can be bought online and submitted online as well.
So Brainy Batch is able to synchronize this effort, integrating the college and student in one common platform. It is also a good advantage to the college to access this database and scrutinize the meritorious student, and thus call for personal interview, GD, and the entire process can be online.
As a parent, I was satisfied with the experiences offered by Brainy Batch, and it is a user-friendly platform where students can choose from various colleges and they can avail applications online as well as they can submit applications online. And I was awestruck by the concepts of OurSmart, which is a scientific method of counseling where students can choose their right career path by studying their fingerprints. I was amazed by the accuracy.
I had applied to my college through Brainy Batch. In this platform, I had the option to choose from various colleges. I have to say my overall experience was hassle-free because all the application process was done online.
The vision of Brainy Batch is to be a 360-degree solution provider for institutions as well as for students in an environmental friendly manner. When I say this, what I mean is Brainy Batch not only provides students with an institution selection and admission process, but also helps them select the right career path through scientific methods like fingerprint scanning and personalized counseling. Additionally, we also help students develop their soft skills and organize technical trainings for them. On the other side, Brainy Batch not only offers online application service to improve their occupancy, but also offers online institution management system, online recruitment service for their faculty staff, and online placement service for their students. And all this, keeping the environmental friendly approach in mind.